Imagine a material stronger than steel, but so light it could float on a soap bubble. This might sound like something out of a science fiction novel, but it's becoming a reality thanks to the latest advancements in materials science. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, think again. Researchers around the globe are pushing the boundaries of what's possible, creating materials that defy our traditional understanding of strength and weight. But in the world of materials science, the impossible is becoming possible. These innovations are not just theoretical, they are being tested and refined in cutting-edge laboratories. Scientists have announced a groundbreaking new material, one that's stronger than steel, but lighter than foam. This material could transform the way we build everything from skyscrapers to spacecraft. This incredible discovery has the potential to revolutionize industries from aerospace to medicine. Imagine aircraft that are lighter and more fuel efficient, or medical devices that are both stronger and more comfortable for patients. Get ready to enter a new age of supermaterials. These innovations promise to change our world in ways we can only begin to imagine. The future is here and it's made of supermaterials. The secret to this incredible strength-to-weight ratio lies in the material's unique internal structure. This structure is meticulously engineered at the microscopic level, ensuring that every component works in harmony to provide maximum strength while keeping the weight to a minimum. Imagine a skyscraper, incredibly strong because of its carefully designed framework. Each beam and column is placed with precision to support immense weight and withstand external forces. This careful planning and design are what make the skyscraper stand tall and resilient. This new material works in a similar way but on a much smaller scale. By mimicking the principles of large-scale architecture, scientists have created a material that is both lightweight and incredibly strong. It's built with a microscopic lattice structure like a tiny, intricate web. This lattice is composed of interlocking strands that distribute stress evenly, preventing any single point from becoming a weak spot. This nanoarchitecture gives the material its amazing properties. By leveraging the principles of nanotechnology, researchers have unlocked new potentials in material science, paving the way for innovations in various fields, from construction to aerospace. Creating this complex nanoarchitecture is a feat of engineering. This is where artificial intelligence, or AI, comes in. Scientists use powerful AI algorithms to design the perfect microscopic structure for maximum strength and minimum weight. They then used advanced three-dimensional printing techniques to bring these designs to life, building the material layer by layer. The potential applications of this new material are vast and exciting. From aerospace to automotive and even in the realm of personal protection, the possibilities are endless. Imagine lighter, more fuel-efficient airplanes for faster, cheaper travel. These advancements could revolutionize the aviation industry, making air travel more accessible and environmentally friendly. Picture cars that are both incredibly safe and highly fuel-efficient. This material could lead to the development of vehicles that not only protect passengers better, but also reduce carbon emissions significantly. This material could even be used to create ultra-strong, lightweight body armor for soldiers and law enforcement. Enhanced protection without the added weight could be a game-changer in critical situations, and in medicine it could lead to new generations of biocompatible implants. These implants would be more durable and better integrated with the human body, improving patient outcomes and quality of life. This is just the beginning. The collaborative efforts of scientists, engineers, and researchers are paving the way for innovations we can only dream of today. As scientists continue to explore the possibilities of AI-designed materials, we can expect even more incredible discoveries in the future. AI technology is accelerating the pace of innovation, opening doors to new applications and solutions. The future of material science is here, and it's lighter, stronger, and more amazing than we ever imagined. With each breakthrough, we move closer to a world where these advanced materials transform our everyday lives in ways we never thought possible. Don't miss out on more exciting updates. Subscribe to our channel, leave a comment, like this video, and share it with your friends. Stay tuned for more incredible content.